how do I breathe in this cage? Every day feels the same. I wear a smile on my face while I'm drowning in pain. I talk, but no one can hear these screams locked inside. I'm surrounded by people, but I'm empty inside. I'm tired of fighting a war with my mind. Every night I'm just losing the fight. Life carves scars in my soul, turn my heart into stone. Tell me how to move on when I've lost who I was. Glass in my hand, I'm shaking. Every breath that I'm taking feels like a weight on my chest, like I'm buried alive. Why does it never end? Every wound just extends. I keep chasing the light, but it fades out again. Broken thoughts in my head keep me wide awake. I'm alive, but I feel like a ghost in this place. I gave hope every chance that I could, but it left me misunderstood. Now I walk through the dark all alone, with a heart that forgot how to hold. Life carves scars in my soul, left me out in the cold. Tell me how to survive when I'm losing control. Glass in my hand, I'm fading. All the dreams I was chasing turned to dust in the end. Now I'm nothing again.